What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today is a special day. I get to plant my garlic out. So I'll bring you along and show you my process. I'm gonna go ahead and prep this soil for where I'll be planting my garlic. So what I have to add is more compost and then also worm castings from the worm bin inside. Oh, shoot. Oops. So I have some of my worm castings. Okay, lastly, I'm going to water it in. I'm going to let this sit for about a week, and then I'll be ready to plant the garlic. And I'll bring you back when it's time to plant the garlic. First thing I did, I took the little garden fork and made sure everything was nice and loose. I've already incorporated compost into the area behind me. This area did have Swiss chard that I just pulled out. I have garlic from the city stead. Josh, out in Michigan, he grew a bunch of hardneck varieties, and I've never grown a hardneck variety, so I wanted to try it out. So just like with any garlic, we're looking to plant about 2 to 3 inches in depth. I'll cover it with a little bit more compost, and then also a wood chip layer to help insulate it for the winter. And we're shooting for about 6 inches apart. So I still haven't bought a dibber, so I'm using basically an old tent spike. There's a flat side and a pointy side. Flat side down, pointy side up when you're planting your garlic. Yeah, he had a couple of really nice big bulbs. I'm hoping that translates into some good garlic for me. And also, this is his blended variety. So he's been growing it for a few years, so he wasn't quite sure what all was in this batch, which I am perfectly fine with. Okay, I had 2 left. Hardneck's pretty cool because it'll actually have scapes, which, like I said, I've never done it before, so this will be my first year to try it out. So, to help me out, I'm going to mark it with the brick for right now. So, my next variety coming this way is going to be my stuff, the soft neck that I grew last season. here. I guess some type of bean. So the final variety is this music, and right here is where I just planted the backside of the soft neck. So I'm going to come this way, and if I have a little bit of room, I'm going to add some more soft neck in here. This is actually the garlic that I'm most excited to try to grow, the music variety. Okay, so I wanted to quick show you how it was peeling. I just take my fingernail, run it down the outside of a clove, and then pull it apart. Careful not to remove any of the outer shell or paper layer, because that's what is actually going to help to insulate the piece of garlic and help it to begin to grow. If you happen to damage that, what I would just do is pull it to the side and use that piece of garlic. And then once I start getting down to these smaller pieces, I just save these to cook with. So I'll plant the larger ones, and any smaller ones I'll just hold off and eat these. So now I'm going to cover everything with a little layer of compost. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the process of planting the garlic. I'm looking forward to having some hard neck garlic this year. Hopefully the soft neck garlic does well again. This area, it's November 5th today. This area, it gets funky sun. I don't think I'm growing garlic again in that area next year. I'm hoping to make some more raised beds here shortly, so it'll give me another area to grow that has much better and more ideal sunlight. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.